Sales managers, imagine stepping out of the outdated playbook and stepping into a new era where artificial intelligence transforms the way you work. In our AI for Sales Manager courses, you'll discover powerful strategies that require no computer science degree, just a willingness to evolve and excel. This isn't about complicated theories. It's about practical, actionable insights that take your everyday routines and turn them into engines for growth. You'll learn how to reclaim precious hours spent on tedious tasks like prospecting and data management, unlocking time to close more deals. With our clear, no-nonsense approach, you'll see how smart automation and AI-driven tools boost conversion rates and elevate your performance in ways you never imagined. These courses not only equip you with cutting-edge techniques, but also offer certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Every month, fresh insights and emerging trends are delivered straight to you, ensuring you're always ahead and ready to adapt. From mastering productivity hacks to exploring thousands of tailored prompts designed specifically for sales challenges, you'll be able to apply what you learn immediately and see the difference in your results. And for those on the move, our audiobooks are perfect for turning any moment into a learning opportunity. Discover how AI integrations enhance your existing systems effortlessly while keeping the focus on what truly matters, driving results, amplifying your efficiency, and taking your sales game to the next level. For all your AI for Sales Manager training courses, visit CompleteAItraining.com.